Hey everybody, happy holiday season. This is Dylan Welsh here, your resident guitar pro at Musical U for December. And this month is all about how to improvise and solo using chord tones. This is a fairly advanced concept that's going to take a lot of practicing to get good at, but is really will take your solos to the next level once you're able to do this, because you've probably heard some of your favorite guitar players, if you can think about them. A lot of them just seem to always pick like the perfect notes, like their notes, they may even be using the same scale that you do, but their notes just happen to sound so perfect and melodic and just better. So here's the one chord, G. The two chord would be A minor. Three chord would be B minor. Let's say I've got a 2-5-1 progression, an A minor to D, back to G. I might play something like this if I wanted to keep it very simple with the arpeggios. So, over a G major chord, I might be thinking of this arpeggio, but play a line something like this.